An auto quote is a customer offer that is put together without any human interaction. This sounds simple, right? But it really isn't. CNC machining is a precise, efficient, and incredibly versatile manufacturing method. But due to its complex nature, it traditionally requires a lot of manual effort, pricing parts accurately. So this is where automated quoting solutions come in. An auto quote is a customer offer that is put together without any human interaction. This sounds simple, right? But it really isn't. And I'm going to be talking about some of the challenges. The first challenge is data. CAD models and technical drawings come in all different shapes and sizes, for instance. You would need software to analyze the data to the smallest level of details in order to calculate a price correctly. Features like tolerances, surface finish, material, or even machine time have a huge influence on what the price of the part ultimately is. Technical requirements are another challenge. Different materials require different tools and machining strategies. The same goes for surface finishes or other post-processing techniques. Software needs to understand these requirements in order to provide an accurate price. Another crucial challenge is human input. Software is not always capable of predicting the right process parameters. These are usually set by experienced engineers on the fly while parts are in production. So what are we working on at MakerVerse to solve this? Our team combines technology, a data-driven approach, and many years of engineering expertise to deliver the fastest, most reliable, and competitive quotes we possibly can. Stay tuned. In the near term, we will have some exciting news to share about our CNC machining offering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.